Welcome back, Crypto Lover Trading Group. Almost 9:30 here, Tuesday morning, Altcoin Tuesday. Taking a look at Bitcoin here really quickly. We are on Bex Plus. We're taking a look at Bitcoin and seeing what the chart really tells us. We're kind of like a groove. We got the cloud up. We're looking at the RSI indicator. We're kind of see here what the next move here is going to be. What's the play? Do me a favor, like and subscribe to the channel. If you haven't followed the videos earlier last week or the week before on the pending rally video on what to expect and how Bitcoin correlates this year with 2017. Take a look at those videos. You're looking at Bitcoin right now at that in that 58,000 channel back again. Remember, obviously we know we've got 54,000 down here is really our primary support level for Bitcoin. You can see how we tested that. See the wicks right here. We tested that numerous times. That's telling us a big deal with what's happening with Bitcoin. We also know the data metrics in the on-chain in terms of how many addresses currently are in and out of the money. Obviously, still a majority of addresses remain in the money for Bitcoin. It looks as if it's fallen below 10% of addresses out of the money when it fell down here. Obviously, those would be individuals who bought in any of this zone here in the last. We still have a predominant number of people that the addresses have held Bitcoin for longer than 12 months versus within 12 months or within 1 month. Okay, that 1 month is still obviously the lesser of that number. So here we're looking at what we're looking at is 59,000 really is the next short-term R. We call little r, which is resistance level 1. And it's not that far off from here. If you go back to 1121 and 1120 right here, it's still in that 59,000 channel. That's where, which is about 800 to 1,000 points above where we are right now. But that's basically where we want to see Bitcoin get back to in terms of challenging this. A break above 59, in the middle of that 59,000 channel is going to put this back in play. That becomes the next 65, becomes really the next. I don't really go with a lot of these wicks here. That's the 60,000 level. So 59 into 60, I think we're going to blow right to 60 very quickly if we break through 59,300 to 500 relatively easily. We'll be above the cloud really here again. And then 65, 67, and of course we know back on first week of November, 68,000. So that's really what we're looking at in terms of that. If we want to just take this out of the way, it gets confusing. We're going to look at the RSI. Let's remove the cloud here, and you can see where we're at. We're testing that 60 level RSI. Now, why is this a big factor here right now? Is because if you look at that level right there at 63, if you go back, it was November 9th was the last time we were above that level. Okay, and we got to 85. Bitcoin was at 68,000. Okay, that's the last time we were north of, 68 to 70 RSI. And this is where we are now. We're at 60, okay, on this 4-hour candlestick here. And so where you're looking at that is if you bought in here down here, obviously, our accumulation was in the 54,000 zone, which was down here on a low-level RSI below 30. That's our level. Those are our thresholds of accumulation, accumulating there, and accumulating here. Whether or not you decide to take profits or not, is your call. However, to us, this becomes the line at 70. Ethereum is the same way. Ethereum right now is above 70 RSI. That tends to indicate to us that it's overbought. It's currently just below $4,700. Bitcoin is currently around $58,000. Okay, so we've definitely come substantially back from 54,000 post Thanksgiving. So you want to consider that in terms of how you look at that, and then chart here in the RSI level so you understand, since November 9th, this is where we've been trading. This has been our trading range. Okay, we're going to end up testing the top end of this range likely today. Okay, Tuesday. And so